Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to help you fix this problem in your car. And it's important to mention that every tip and instruction I'm going to share has been verified by the mechanics at the shop where I'm at right now. If you're driving your Chevy Volt and suddenly see the message propulsion power reduced, the first thought is usually, the big battery is dead. My car is done for. But relax, take a breath. In most cases, it's not as serious as it sounds, and often the car is just protecting itself. To put it simply, this message means that the Volt decided to reduce power on purpose, not to annoy you, but because it detected something it didn't like and said, better limit myself before something worse happens. That's why you notice the car accelerates slower, responds sluggishly, or feels tied down. Now, according to many users on forums, the most common cause is simply that the high-voltage battery is very low. When the electric battery is almost depleted, the system goes into defensive mode while the gas engine tries to compensate. In many cases, just charging the battery fully and driving for a bit makes the message disappear as if nothing ever happened. Along the same lines, some people report that the message appears right after leaving the car parked for several hours with a low battery. They start the car, the warning appears, drive for a few minutes, and it goes away on its own. This happens because the system needs to stabilize voltage and temperature before returning to normal. But be careful, it's not always that simple. If the message appears frequently or comes with the check engine light, then we're entering another level. Many mechanics have found that the issue can be in electronic modules, especially the module that controls battery energy or the propulsion system. In several cases, the solution was to reprogram or replace a module and problem solved. Here's something many people don't expect: the EGR valve. Yes, even though the Volt is a hybrid, it still has traditional engine components. In some cases, the message appeared along with EGR-related codes. Cleaning or replacing that valve made the propulsion power reduced warning disappear completely. Another point that comes up often in this shop is extreme temperatures. Many owners say the message appears more often in very cold or very hot weather. The system detects that the battery isn't in its ideal range and reduces power to protect it. Here, the car isn't damaged, it's just being cautious. So what do mechanics recommend before panicking? First, fully charge the high-voltage battery. Second, turn the car off, wait a few seconds, and restart, because sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. Third, and very important, scan the car and check the codes before replacing parts blindly. Many mechanics agree on one key point: clearing the message without fixing the real cause doesn't help. It's like covering the dashboard light with black tape. If there's a failing module, sensor, or system, the message will come back sooner or later.